Are you missing the registry module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. Access the official registry module diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the registry module, a generic naming convention used by some proprietary applications like specialized de-bloaters or registry cleaners to store their localized registry injection logic. Because it shares a name with core system concepts, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. If missing, the parent tweak utility will fail to apply its configuration changes. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. If registry module DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including registry module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing registry module DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to registry module. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for registry module, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.